Just got done with the trial sled run. Been building this thing for about 30 minutes. It's not really working, but we're gonna go for a run. Let's check it out. Start from up there, come all the way down, crash into Christmas tree. There's a sled. All right, I'm gonna go up and go down. By the way, my name's TPG. I make videos about being a hangout guy outside, you know? Let's run this. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh boy. Definitely need to fine tune this run. We're gonna go again. Make sure you subscribe, you see the next run.